Hey guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this air duster, a cordless air duster from MECO ELEVERDE. I believe that's how you pronounce it, MECO ELEVERDE. And I'm super excited to go ahead and test it out and, review this interesting thing. Really, really handy. And it's actually like weighs nothing. So I'm super excited. And let's go ahead and review this thing and take a look at what's inside. And then I'll show you some of the applications where you can use this thing. It's super handy, especially if you're a mechanic. So this is the box that it came in with. Super nice. And this air blower is very, very handy and very small, and doesn't weigh much. There's nothing really else inside. It was packaged really nicely. And this is the box. So we've got little baggie right here, looks like, for the air duster you can carry around. And got some brushes. See what else is inside. Some instructions. So that's really cool. Let's take a look. User manual. Ooh, looks like it has it in German too. A bunch of languages. Yeah, so be sure to review the instructions on how to use this before you proceed, so you avoid any problems, things like that. These are all the contents that are inside of this box. And what's really, really cool is this thing is rechargeable. So literally you can use this up to 120 minutes if you're using it all the time. And then this works at about 200,000 RPMs. And literally you can use this for anything. You can use this for a lot of things. This is what this looks like. Got some adapters, the charging cord. And you can literally carry it around like this. This is your main thingy right there. This is where you plug it in. Yeah, really interesting. There's a power button. We're going to test it out in a second. Now, guys, let's go over the applications, right? So you guys can use it for basically anything. You see the dust anywhere. You can use it on your computer keyboards. You can use it at home. You can use it on the cars, like inside the interior. If your interior is like really dusty or something like that, go ahead and turn this thing on and blow all the dust off. If you're a mechanic and you're working on something, literally go ahead and use this thing. And also this is really good, for example, like when you're working on removing like spark plugs on the car. Before you remove the spark plugs on any engine, you need to make sure that there's no dirt in there. So this thing can go ahead and remove that dirt for you, so you don't have to use a compressed air, because this is literally a cordless compressed air. Let's go ahead and turn this on. There's a power button. Looks like this is the charge, so it will show you 100% if it's fully charged. It came like this, 97. And this is how you turn this thing on. You can increase the speed literally by percentage. This is amazing. This is truly amazing. This is incredible. We're going to test it out really soon. But this is actually an adjustable regulator, so you can literally adjust it to whichever preference you need. Small pressure or higher pressure, things like that. There's some specs right there for you. So the cars in the Middle East get really dusty very quickly, so this thing is super handy for that nature. So something I forgot to mention, guys, is about this attachment. This air duster also comes with this adapter slash attachment that you can use to better direct the airflow. So this is a really nice addition to the kit. That's something that I forgot to mention, but just so you guys are aware, this is really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and test this thing out. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this thing on. Look at that. I'm gonna blow all this dust off, and I can increase the speed to a higher setting right there. And check this out, it's just blowing all the dust away pretty much. See that? We're gonna test it out on that other car as well, but this is really cool. And I can go higher. I can go all the way up to 100%, which is gonna be even more faster and efficient. Now, guys, let's go ahead and test it out on this car. And this car is not abandoned. This car is actually, it belongs to one of the people that I know. So we're gonna go ahead and test this thing out. Just at 10%. Let's see how much it's gonna do. 10%. Check this out. Now let's increase it to a higher setting. Wow, this is really strong. This is incredible. This is coming out of my hand now. Wow, take a look at this. This is incredible, guys. Look at this thing. You can blow off all the dust so easy right now off of this car. How about that? This is incredible. This is an incredible investment, guys. I can't believe this. This is actually so amazing and so handy. Wow, so incredible. This literally, like, if you hold it too close and if you're not careful, this is gonna fly away from your hand. And you can also use this on the interior parts to blow out anything from anywhere, especially if there's like an area where it's so hard to get to. You can literally go ahead and use this thing, and this will do the job. Let's see, right here. Oh, I turned it off on accident. So, yeah, you guys can see. Now, check out the vent on this classic Mercedes and how dirty it is. And with this blower, you can actually do some cool things. Obviously, it's not gonna clean everything. It's gonna blow all the loose dust off. So you can clean your dashboard too, undust it, things like that. Some other applications that you guys can use this tool on is, for example, like during the fall season, when there are a lot of leaves or any dirt or something on your cowls of your car or whatever, like you can go ahead and blow this thing out. Or even around your house, you know, if you're cleaning like the street or the driveway and there are a lot of leaves, you can go ahead and use this thing and blow out all the leaves. You don't need to use those big gasoline blowers for that purpose. So this thing is really incredible and handy, and the fact that it comes with this little baggie, and I can just go ahead and get rid of this box, which it will all fit into this fabric bag, and I mean it's awesome. Super excited about that. Guys, for those of you who are interested in this little air duster slash blower, go ahead and check out some links in the description box, and let me know what you guys think about this product. I mean, I'm super excited about this, and I really love this thing a lot. So if you guys want, go ahead and check out the links in the description. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. At the end, everything fits nicely in this little baggie. Super handy. You can put it anywhere, in your closet, in your car, anywhere you want, your garage.